Your resolve matters. Chapter 5. Hope amid judgment. The heart of divine purpose. Do not let the language of judgment drown out the message of hope. Revelation's judgments refine, not merely punish. They are instruments that extract what is harmful and reveal what is true. The present deployment of these events seeks to awaken a sleeping world to repentance and renewal. Hope is possible because God's sovereignty ensures the end is not chaos but restoration. There will be restoration of justice, healing of nations, and the redemption of what has been broken. The trumpet sound is a wake-up call that precedes healing. Align your life with that restorative current. Forgive where bitterness has taken root, act where injustice persists, and love where hatred seeks to grow. The courageous heart trusts that through the furnace of testing, a greater refinement emerges. Be part of that refining, not its target.